Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming your unlock method, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint so you can access protected areas. Next, open Google Photos or your device's Files/Gallery app and navigate straight to storage options. Don't waste time in settings. Look specifically for labels like Locked Folder, Secure Folder, or Hidden Folders in the File Manager. Once you locate the area, you're ready to authenticate. This initial search matters because Android uses different containers. Knowing where to look saves time and prevents accidental deletions. Now authenticate with the method you confirmed. Tap the locked folder and use your PIN or biometrics to open it. If nothing appears, enable Show Hidden Files in the File Manager settings so hidden directories become visible. This reveals files that apps merely conceal. Once visible, select Photos and choose Move Out, Unhide, or Remove from Secure Folder depending on the app. Make sure to move items to a known album or folder so they are accessible in regular galleries. This prevents relocking. Finally, move unlocked photos into a visible album or export them to a cloud backup so you don't lose access. Make sure syncing is set to the correct account if you want them backed up. If images still won't appear, check the app's account and device encryption settings because different accounts or encryption states can hide content. As a troubleshooting step, force close the app, clear its cache, not data, and reboot the device. If that fails, sign out and back into the app to refresh folder visibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.